Wow, is that spicy?
Really?
That's got a kick.
No.
Holy mackerel.
You mean holy halibut?
Holy halibut. So today I'm going to be making za'atar halibut kebabs with a creamy green harissa and a shepherd's salad. The za'atar is a really simple Middle Eastern spice blend of sumac, which is very lemony and herbaceous, some thyme, sesame seeds, some salt, and a little bit of cumin. It really brings out a lot of flavor in a mild fish like halibut. We're gonna grill this on the stovetop, but it's great for a nonstick skillet or a charcoal or gas grill. To make the salad, combine tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, olives, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and some olive oil. Let the salad sit at room temperature for about an hour and then add the feta just before serving. Next, we're going to make our creamy green harissa. Combine the cilantro, parsley, jalapenos, scallions, salt, cumin, yogurt, lemon juice, and olive oil in a food processor and pulse until smooth. Set aside and break out the halibut. Be sure to pat dry before cutting into large cubes. Carefully thread the halibut pieces onto wooden or metal skewers. If using wood, be sure to soak it. Drizzle with olive oil, season with za'atar and salt on both sides. Add the halibut to a preheated grill pan. Cook until golden brown without moving, about 2 minutes. Carefully flip the kebabs and cook on the other side until cooked through. Pull the kebabs and pour over the creamy green harissa or serve it on the side. The salad and the naan complete this dish nicely. I could do that. It's very unclassy. Wow, that's so good. Wow, just a little pinch of za'atar on this halibut. Wow, it really livens it up. And then this creamy green harissa with 2 herbs and scallions, jalapeno and yogurt adds a good punch, but it's just a really nice creamy texture. Really good compliment. A good meal. Go for it. For this and more great recipes, check out sitkasalmonshares.com. That was really elegant, right?